Good evening everyone. So this video is to tell you that I'm starting with my code.org classes in which I'm going to teach you how you can use simple block-based coding for developing mobile applications, various types of interactive games. Right, so if you want to avail these coding classes, you can contact me directly on my number 9891665634. So in just rupees 1,000, I will be providing you with 14 different classes in which we are going to learn about the different things related to code.org. We will cover all the labs which are there on code.org, and after that we will move to Thunkable, which is again a very intelligent platform we can use for developing mobile applications, for developing different types of games using simple block-based coding. Once we are done with learning the block-based coding things, we will then learn the text-based coding which we do in object-oriented programming languages platforms like Python, C, C++, Java. So I will introduce to you the bridge which I have made, with the help of which you can relate the block-based coding things we learn on code.org Thunkable with the text-based coding things we do on Python and on various other object-oriented programming languages platform. If you really want to become a good coder, then these coding classes are going to give you a lot of benefit. You want to avail these classes, just give me a call on my number. The details of this course you can find in the description section of this video also. So I will be waiting for you in the classes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye everyone and take care.